Hi everyone, it's TikTok Tech Talk time. It's a very long name, it took me a while to say it. Anyway, this series is all about us doing tech reviews in 1 minute. Today we're going to be talking about the new MacBook Air. The new MacBook Air that was released last year, 2018 that is. First off, the size of course, and its weight, super light, very easy to carry around. And the other thing is, the bezels are slimmer and it's now in black color, making the screen look more all-immersive. The other thing you'll notice is that now there's this little button here where it used to be the power button. Now it's Touch ID, so you can just register your fingerprint and you can instantly log in. Super fast. Since we're here, let's talk about the screen a bit. With the Retina display, the colors look so much more beautiful, and you're not supposed to see that because that's our back end of the site. The other thing is the trackpad. Yes, the trackpad is bigger, but not as big as on the MacBook Pro. The other thing is connectivity. I know a lot of laptops now have done away with USB-A ports, but I still use a lot of, I still use a lot, and a lot of brands still use a lot of USB, so currently there's no port to put it in and there's no time. So final words on the MacBook Air. First off, of course, is the size and its weight. It's super convenient for anybody who's always on the go, and it's powerful enough to do whatever you need to do on the laptop, except of course heavy gameplay. Not so recommended. It can be a little laggy. Not recommended for heavy video editing because rendering will take a really long time unless you're planning to stay put at a cafe for maybe 8 hours to finish your movie, But other than that, oh yes, Touch ID is super convenient, which is great. It's powerful. Yeah, so what else is there not to like about it? For everything else you need to know, you can check out the link below for more. Thanks for watching, and bye!